Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you're gonna go with me, Railfanning, and I'm gonna tell you some things I saw and some info about the shits I saw and the engines and the rolling stock. And yeah, I live like 1 block away on a railroad track, so trains pass like every single day here. So yeah, I see them all the time. So yeah, let's get started with the first clip. So I was walking down the road here, this clip, and I saw the train coming, and it stopped at the level crossing. I just had to film it. If I'm not mistaken, this is a General Motors locomotive, but I don't know. In the moment, don't fact check me. Just don't fact check me here. So this clip right here, I was walking like that tiny road to the side of the tracks, and I heard the horn, and I was like, "Oh, cool, the train!" And then I just had to film it because I love big giant machines. So this clip right here, actually, I took it while I was walking to my grandparents' house, and this was my first level crossing clip that I ever took, and I'm pretty happy how it looks. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother you anymore. This clip right here is the train coming empty from the dock, unloaded the gravel from the cargo. In the other clip, it was full going to the dock. I don't live near any docks. It's like a billion miles away from like where I'm at. But this direction it comes empty, and the other direction, like the other clip, comes full of like stone and gravel or shit. I don't know what the fuck it is. So this one, I didn't actually film it, I just took pictures, but I saw the train by, and I got a little chuckle about the fucking, one of the cars was like puny, was like fucking tiny piece of shit. It made me laugh, but I like it, teeny car. So this clip right here, I left the front of the bus stop, and I turned around and I hear the horn of the train, so I just had to fucking film it, it was great. So, fun fact, that type of locomotive that you just saw never passes through that area. Typically, locomotives that have like the big nose passes around these parts. My grandpa, he was an engineer back in the day, he used to call them Scooby Doo locomotives. That makes me but yeah, that locomotive you just saw, it's a really rare. Like, when I saw it, I was like, oh, cool. It's like a GP40S locomotive, but yeah. But it made me remind me of my grandpa. So yeah, those are all the times I went outside of my room and went to look at rail trains. If you like it, subscribe. You can do that. It makes me happy. Like the video. Comment which one of these shorts, I mean, which one of these clips were your favorite, and yeah. Sorry, I'm not posting that much. It's school. I'm not gonna lie, it's school. Piece of fucking shit. But yeah. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe to me. It makes me really happy, and